Hello everyone, so yes, today I'm going to be reviewing these beautiful sneakers by Chanel. So keep watching. I'm going to be giving you all the scoop, letting you know if these shoes are worth it, because Chanel shoes, as you guys know, cost a pretty penny, and I'm going to be just reviewing the shoes overall. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Marianella and I upload beauty, fashion, travel, lifestyle videos here on YouTube, and I would love it if you would subscribe. So these are the sneakers. They are white, black, and beige. Right off the bat, I can tell you that they are very, very tight on the foot. I am a size 6 for reference. These shoes have the Chanel logo all throughout, at the sole of the shoe, also on the side and on the inside of the shoe as well. It has white shoelaces, but I did notice that it also comes with black shoelaces, and those are inside of the box. The insole does have a very pretty design. It's kind of cushioned and it's a very rubbery material. It's not what you're accustomed to in sneakers. Also, I did forget to mention that also here in the front it has the CC Chanel logo. So it has a very 90s style to it, and I love Chanel sneakers. I think they are just very stylish, and these, my friends, I would wear them. I'm gonna wear them with a dress, I'm gonna wear them with jeans, but I love them. Oh, and I also found another Chanel logo right here on the front. So quality-wise, I do really like that they're very sturdy, they're very durable. I know these shoes are going to last me a long time, and if you're like me, someone who washes her shoes, I'm gonna throw these in the washer. I also do want to point out that the shoes do have a code, like right in here, and I'm guessing that that's so that the shoe can be differentiated. When I went to the store, they did tell me that these shoes sell out pretty quickly, so not all sizes are always available. Believe it or not, in Chanel they have limited inventory, and sometimes you go for something and they don't have it because it sells out very, very quickly. And one way in which you can check if they have what you want is you get a sales rep, and then you get the information from the sales rep, and then when there's a new campaign, something new is launched, what they do is that they call you, or you can call or text the person directly, and that's how you would get whatever you want from Chanel. So I do really like the fabric. It has leather, and then it also has this very soft material here, and then it also has suede all throughout. And then comfort-wise, I do think that they are very tight on the foot. That's something I really don't like, but I think once you wear the shoe, they're going to feel more comfortable. I don't think that they're the most comfortable shoes in the world, but I do think that they are beautiful. Honestly, I would have loved them in pink, but they didn't have that color. That's usually when they launch their spring summer collection, when they have like those pastel colors. The back of the shoe, this part for me is very important because it's very sensitive. So this is where the back of your ankle would be, and I really like that it's cushioned and that it's soft. So that for me is a huge plus. I always look for that in shoes. I have to make sure that that's comfortable, because if it's not, then I really can't wear the shoe. It doesn't matter if it fits perfectly. If the back doesn't fit right, then I can't wear the shoe. Now, I do want to give you guys some insights. So the shoe is made in Italy, and usually Chanel shoes, they're made, well, some of the things they're made in France, but some others are made in Italy. Chanel, as you guys know, is a European brand. But overall, I think they are beautiful shoes, and I love everything that Chanel has. They have really high quality, and well, duh, you're paying a ton of money for things, but it's really, really good quality, and I received really good customer service at the store. I went to a store here in South Florida, and the sales rep was awesome. So would I recommend the shoes? Absolutely, I would 100%. These shoes are gorgeous, and I see myself wearing them so much. I think these are going to be my everyday shoes. I don't care. I want to wear them every day because I love them. So I want to tell you now a little bit about the box so that you have an idea. I know I always talk about these things, because if you find the shoes online on a sketchy website, or someone is selling you the shoes, you got to know what signs to look for so that you know if it's fake or not. So let me show you. So it does come with the iconic Chanel box. This is a very sturdy box. As you guys can see, it has the Chanel logo. It's a very sturdy box, and something that you look for is the spelling and make sure that it's centered. You see how the logo is centered? That's something that you look for when they're selling you the shoes. That's something for you to know. So this box does bring a significant amount of tissue paper. But aside from the tissue paper, I want to show you what it also comes with. So they do give you 2 dust bags, and these have the Chanel logo on them. Beautiful. And the bag has pouch is bag, whatever. They do really have a really nice feel to them. You can tell that they're really good quality. And then these are the black shoelaces that they come with. It also has like the little Chanel logo there. So obviously just like tissue paper, and then the will for you to wear them and rock them. That's the only other thing I can say. But overall, just if you're gonna get the shoes, the boutiques don't have discounts per se, so you do have to pay the full amount. There are websites, I think it's like Fashion File, The Real Real. Those websites, they may have the used version of the shoe, and then there you can get them for a little bit less money. Usually they're like from older collections, but you can get them there. If not, yeah, you have to go to the store, but just always make sure that you're buying from a website that is authentic and that you know you're gonna get your money's worth. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I do have more fashion reviews here on my channel. I would love it if you guys would watch those videos. Also, leave me a comment letting me know what your thoughts are. Comment if you've watched it until this point, just comment Chanel so that I know that you watched the video until the very end. And also let me know what types of videos you would like to see here on my channel. I would love it if you guys would subscribe. I also want to point out that I have travel vlogs, I have lifestyle videos, I have motivational videos, I have cleaning videos, I have cook with me videos. So there's a little bit of everything under the sun on this channel, so all over the place. So I hope you guys subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.